Vaya, I'm going to do one more question, then I'm going to bed. It's kind of late. I'm doing question number five, number 31. On question number five is an exponential function question. So, the calculator really isn't going to help you here. You just have to know how to set up an exponential function. So, let me do this, read this, and then show you what needs to happen. It says biologists are studying a new bacterium. They create a culture with 100 bacteria. So they start with 100 bacteria, and then they say they anticipate that the number of bacteria will double every 30 hours. So they want us to write an equation for the number of bacteria, B. So this is going to be a function, B of t, in terms of the number of hours, t, since the experiment began. So this is a pretty, there's only one little wrinkle in here that you got to be careful of. So we're going to write a function. It's going to be an exponential function. So it's going to be b parentheses t equals. We started with 100, so that's the initial value, 100. Now, we know that it's doubling. Actually, we know it's doubling, so that's going to have a 2 in here. And then we just have to figure out what happens here. Now, normally, we would just put a t here. So this is saying we started with 100. It doubles every 1 hour. It's doubling every 1 hour. But that's not what this is doing. It's doubling every 30 hours. So the way that you indicate that it's doubling every 30 hours instead of doubling every hour is you would just divide the exponent t by 30. And that would be it. So basically it's saying if it's 30 hours, we've doubled. If it's 60 hours, we've doubled twice. If it's 90 hours, if t is 90, 90 divided by 30 is 3. So this is doubling every three periods. So that's it. This is all you're doing. This is a 31 question. This is 2 points. Now, if you were to write this, b of t equals 100, it's doubling every 30 hours. But if you were to write t, I think they would say, oh, they forgot to adjust for the 30 every 30 hours. And you would get 1 point for this because this is close. So even if you're not able to do this, Nevaeh, you should at least be able to do this. So this is the initial value. It's doubling. And this is the interval. So this is saying every hour it's doubling. This is saying every 30 hours it's doubling. So this is correct, but if you did this, you would get 1 point. So try to get every point you can. But as soon as you see this word right here, you should know it's an exponential because that means it's multiplied, doubling, tripling, quadrupling, halving. Those are all words that indicate exponential. So, all right, gonna stop this and post it.